Hello and welcome. On the right side of our screen, you'll notice our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. He's the reason I'm in this course and the reason I'm bringing you this video at this time. My name is Dennis Wynn Paulson Jr. I'm in the BYU Idaho CIT 336 Web PHP backend course where we're using PHP in a model view controller architecture to build a responsive and dynamic web app. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice an Acme site. We have some login functionality, which we'll be working with today. If we click on login, basically we're over here on the login page. Now we can click register, and we can register a new individual into our database. Let's go ahead and name him Blessed Personage, and let's change this from .com to .ctr, and we'll go ahead and register. It says thanks for signing up, Blessed, and please log in. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and log in. We better change that email over to .ctr. When we do that, by default, all of our accounts are level 1. So what we've got is this directs us over to a login page, or excuse me, an admin page. The admin page is in the accounts controller, directed over to the admin view, if you will. And so it says, welcome to the administrator area. You're logged in as Blessed Personage. And then this is a level 1 user. If we double check our database, let's go ahead and refresh this. There we go. Brand new record, Blessed Personage. The password is hashed, and it's .ctr is the login information. So if we come back over here, you'll notice there's no other links to get to anything. If we click on the logout link, that will log us out, sends us back to the original home controller, to the Acme website. If we click on the My Account again, that's going to take us back to the login. Now I will log in with my default username and password, the .com, and this should go ahead and get us to an admin level 2 page. Now the user level is now user level 2. You'll notice that there's now a product controller button that pops up, and the product controller button is going to send us to the controller and then loop us back over to the product management area. There's also a logout that is persistent. Doesn't matter where we go in the site, as long as the header is there, we're going to have that logout functionality. That is essentially the requirements for the enhancement. I think we've covered the login, the logout works, the different functionalities, and the storing the databases with the admin levels. As far as the validation, we wanted to go ahead and let's use our validator here. View cookie info. Oh, that's cookie information. It's under tools. Let's do validate local HTML. Now I'm using a lot of modules here, and there was a couple things that popped up. So the validation didn't check. There was a warning. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but there is a couple notices on the banner. So don't expect full points for the HTML, but it was mostly there. So, but for time's sake and getting the video in, I think that shows the functionality of the registration for the enhancement. And I'll go ahead and zip the file and the folders and get those submitted. And thank you again. God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful day.